Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram account type. Let me show you how you can switch from business account back to personal or creator account. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner at your profile icon. Then when you're at your profile, go ahead and click on the three straight lines on upper right. Now, when you're at your settings menu, click on settings and privacy. Pay very close attention. This is where the magic happens, guys. I want you to scroll down to the section for professionals. Here, I want you to click on the first option, business tools and controls. Now, I want you to scroll down to the section switch account type. When you click on switch account type, you will have options to switch to personal account or to switch to creator account. This is how simple it is to switch from business account back to personal or back to creator account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.